If you still think logo designing needs hours, I think you're outdated. I have just made this logo in just 60 seconds. Let me show you how. Whenever I get a call to make a logo, I just go to Adobe Illustrator and start designing. But this time, I just went to ChatGPT and gave a complete brief about my client. She is a makeup artist. She is opening her own beauty parlor. So she contacted me to make a logo for her beauty parlor. And I have just texted it in prompt for getting ideas which font I should use. So after prompting it, it just gave me a couple of fonts. But actually, those are not too good. So I just went to my font collection and I have searching which font suits to her brand. So I am this cabinet's font looks clean and premium. This is what we want. So I just made AKJPG and again came to ChatGPT asking this time something creative. I have chosen my font. Just make those thick lines into a decorative drawings with the flowers and leaves. But make sure it look like letter A and K after design. Make it PNG. Okay, I have just entered. Now image is creating. Okay, until the logo is generating, you need to know why I have started making logo in just 60 seconds. Yesterday night, it was my bedtime and I was exhausted after spending a long day. Suddenly, my friend calls me, Mama, need one small help ra. Make one logo for my friend's sister for free. See, doing free work for your friend is okay. Doing free work for your friend's sister also okay. But doing free work for your friend's sister, bro, that relationship is so random. Even Instagram won't suggest it. Designers are not charity organizations. Stop asking your designer friends to do work for free. I think image is created. Let's see. Bro, I just loved it. So this white part, we have to remove this white part. So I just copy this image and I just went to Adobe Illustrator. Okay, to remove this, I will do image trace. Okay, now next ungroup and expand. Okay, now the image is expanded. So now we can remove the white part. Come on, let's remove. After removing the white part, I just went to Photoshop to make it a final logo. So I just taken this vector. Now we have to add a platinum feel to this logo. So I have just added a bevel and emboss effect and a color overlay of a silver color, off-white color. And I have copied the same two effects to the circle also. And I have made just a black background. This is what we want. And I have just sent to her and she loved it. So this is how I made logo in just 60 seconds. I will post everything about designing, branding and advertising. Subscribe me if you like my content. Thank you.